Good morning, this is the ExactTrades.com Shakers Report for October 25th, 2011. First we're taking a look at the SPY, the S&P 500. You can see here yesterday's session, consolidated off the open for a little bit, pulled back into this 124, 123.80 area for support. We got the bounce, and then once we broke through to the new high of the day, trended up for most of the afternoon, and then held support here just over 125 going into the close. After market, we moved up into 126 area, and now we're pulling back into 125. So for this morning, watch 125 for support. If we break that 125, we could come down into this 124.50 area, and then if we break through that, could come down into 124 to 123.80. So you're either going to watch these areas on the short side, 125, 124.50, and 123.80, 124. So those areas are going to be your support areas as you're taking trades to the short side. Now if we do hold 125 and we start to move up, watch for a retest of this 126 area. And if we break through 126, could see 126.50 up into that area. So just watch these support and resistance levels and trade accordingly. We could have one more day up. We might have more of a pullback day too if we can't hold this 125. We come down to these 124.50 and 124 areas. So let's go ahead and look at today's trades. First up, we have DG. You can see the high resistance level here, just under 40.50. We're going to look for a breakout over that price. Going to take this long over 40.55. So right about there. First price target is going to be 40.95. Second price target is going to be 41.36. And then trail the stop and see if you can push through this 41.50 and head for this 42 area on your last piece of that trade. Next we have ERTS. You can see the previous high was here around 24.80. Had some consolidation in this range right around 24.50. We broke through that yesterday, looked very strong. Going to look for a continuation move up today. Going to take this long over 25.12. So take it long there. First price target is going to be 25.37. Second target is going to be 25.62. And then trail the stop on the last piece. See if you can come up and test this 26 area. Now we're looking at ALXN. You can see we have the previous day's high here, right around 70.44. Going to look to take this long over 70.56, right there. First profit target is going to be 71.26. Watch this high for a little bit of resistance at 71.48. Make sure you push through that. Second profit target is going to be 71.97, so just under 72. Take your second profit target. Move up your stop on your last piece. And I would try for 73 on the last piece. And now we're looking at GIS. You can see this triple bottom forming here, just over 39. The last time we tested it yesterday's session, weak against the market, got a small bounce and came down and tested the lows again right away. So we look for a break below this 39 to take this short. We're going to go short under 38.94. So right about here. First profit target is going to be 38.58. Second profit target is going to be 38.20, and then I would trail a stop down into 38, possibly 37.50, right in this range here. So see if it can trend down. Try to squeeze the most profit you can out of that last piece of that trade below 38. And our last trade is AEM. You can see the support level here at 43. Tested it twice on October 20th, and had kind of a slow, weak bounce off of these lows from the big sell-off that we had over the 2-day period. So going to look for a turn down and a break below this 43. Going to take this short under 42.93. First profit target is going to be 42.51. Right about there. Second profit target is going to be 42.09. So just over 42. Take your second profit target. Move down your stop. See if it can break through 42. And I would test 40 and possibly 41 and 40 as your last two profit targets on that last piece. So see how it does at 40. Also watch the market. If we get weak, when we start breaking through support levels, and this gives up 41, then I'd really try to see if you can come down into the 40 area. Might bounce a little bit early around 40.10 or 40.12, but see if you can get that last piece down into 40. So those are the trades for today. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.